Welcome to CompanyOn. In this video, we will walk you through how to document care in the platform. Before you begin, make sure your account is fully set up. This means your practitioner profile, business profile, and services are completed, and your templates are set up in the Templates section. You should also have your clients already added to the platform. If you need help creating or customizing templates, please refer to our templates tutorial. Once everything is ready, there are two main ways to document care in CompanyOn. Method 1. Document care through the appointment. The first way is directly through a booked appointment in your calendar. For this to work, your service must have a template pre-selected during setup. If a template has been assigned to the service, it will automatically be available in the appointment. Go to your calendar and open the booked appointment. Inside the appointment window, you will see a form icon. If a template is linked, that icon will appear highlighted or blinking. Click on the form icon to open the template. From there, you can complete your documentation directly within the appointment. This is a great option when documenting care during or right after a visit. Method 2. Document care through the client timeline. The second and most common way is through the client's timeline. Go to the client's module and open the client profile. Navigate to the timeline and select Chart. Click on Select an entry, then choose the template you want to use. Once the template opens, you can begin documenting care. When you are done, you can save your entry as a draft or mark it as completed. Once completed, the entry becomes part of the client's permanent record. All entries are saved in chronological order in the client timeline, and you can open and review any entry at any time. And that's how you document care in CompanyOn.